Hello, it's late in the evening, again 8:30, so not really late, but been at it all day. Did that game plan video this morning and have had lots of feedback, and so I want to go through what I mean by setting up your game plan with a customer, because there's a few pieces that I forgot to add in this morning's video. So we're going to dive in here to our demo site, and I've actually landed on this customer, Jaden Alexander. And so we can see customers' information here, and this is a part of my game plan, right? Am I getting personal information that I can use later on to increase our relationship or better, create a better bond, and then thus provide a great customer experience, right? Here's the 8 buttons I was talking about: scheduling, logging, and connecting. So I can send emails and I can send messages, but more importantly, when I log, so, for instance, we can log our first inbound call. It was an inbound sales call, asked about the Acura, right? Hit save. And now what's next? It's going to complete that activity. Hey, if I don't hear back from so-and-so, I'm going to set a reminder to send text message on Monday by 11 a.m. Touch base if no contact before today, right? What is the game plan? When am I going to get nervous that they haven't replied back to me or been in touch with me? Did I send the wrong information, right? I guarantee you, if you start this process and start booking out, I always like to show people. So salespeople have 2-week blinders on, right? I got to sell 15 days, got to make my mortgage payment. Okay. So the 15th of the month, get paid. Great. Oh, now I got the blinders on for the next 15 days. And if you just open the blinders up, look past 30 days, past 60 days, even 90. I know it sucks. I know it's not fun. It's not exciting. It's not exhilarating. But having this game plan in place and cultivating these customers, 2 to 3 deals extra per month per salesperson long term. And if I pull up my calculator and I quickly just do a little calculation here, let me just see, 24 to 36. So let's just call it 30 deals times what I think the average deal's worth. Yeah, I could use that money. And don't start. I don't want to move to the next tax bracket, right? You know what I want to pay in taxes every year? $250,000. That's how much taxes I want to pay. Okay. So again, when you're in here, use these opportunity buttons to log things. Let's say we start this task. Send text. When we do that, you're going to click that. You're going to come up here to the text message bar, and you're going to shoot a text message to the customer with Socket Talk. Okay. You then come in, send a text, and now it's like, I gotta send an email. So now I'm going to go send email. When? Next week on Thursday. Send dealer PDF, right? Whatever the case may be. You always want to do what you told yourself to do and then schedule the next activity. That's a game plan. Okay. As far as sales managers go, it's real simple. You just hit this blue check mark on the left-hand side. It's going to open up to opportunities and tasks. And then you look at the salesperson on the right and you go, hey, Brandon's working 6 people. And check this out. If you're on the DealerSocket process, which you should be, if I see these blue buttons as a manager, it means these customers are going to slip through the cracks because I have no future task book for them. Okay. Now, if I go into tasks, Brandon has absolutely nothing on his plate today. And if the day's just starting and I see 0 tasks for the day, you're darn tootin' Fig Newton. I am having a conversation with Brandon to say, what's the game plan? What's going on? Are you not working enough customers? Are you saying the wrong things? Who do I have to call? Do we need orphan customers? Do you need to hit social media a little bit to get some contacts going, right? What is your game plan? So hope this little extra 3-4 minute video helps. Get your game plan in order. Start to develop some processes for the people that don't buy, which is the bigger portion, and it'll help make your 2019 a good solid finish, and it'll excel you right into 2020. And when we get to this time next year, we'll all be laughing. So thanks for tuning in again. This is Brandon Socket, your destination for DealerSocket training, digital marketing strategies, and darn tootin' Fig Newton, so much more. We'll see you soon.